Morning Prep 1, Mr. Walid with you. This is a new video for new lesson, adding and subtracting algebraic expression. Adding for expression, it means the same way for adding numbers, but it's expression. As we took it before, the expression maybe contain one term or two term or three term. The example as we see, add the two expression 5a minus 7b plus 3 and 2b minus 1 minus a. As we see, we have two expression. Each one has contained three terms. Then I have two ways. First method is a vertical method. I put the first expression on the first line. Then I arrange the second expression as I see. First expression, 5a minus 7b plus 3. The second expression, I have to arrange and I put negative a under 5a, positive 2b under negative 7b, and negative 1 under positive 3. Then I put like under like under like, as we take it before. Then I can make sum for 5a minus a equal 4a, negative 7b positive 2b equal negative 5b, positive 3 negative 1 equal 2. Then the result is 4a minus 5b plus 2. And we will see the horizontal method in the next example. New example, add the following expression, 3x power 3 minus 4x power 2 plus 2x minus 1. Second expression, 5x power 2 minus 2x power 3 plus 3. Third one, 2 minus 3x plus x power 2. Then, with the vertical method, I put the expression, first expression with arranging. First, I begin with the high power or great power, 3x power 3, negative 4x power 2, plus 2x minus 1. It's arranged already, okay? Then, arrange the next expression, 2x power, negative 2x power 3 under x power 3, positive 5x power 2 under x power 2. But here, I don't have 2x. I don't have x power 1. Then I make a space under 2x without any term because I don't have x power 1. Then put positive 3 under negative 1. Last expression, I put positive 2 under negative 1, negative 3x under 2x, positive x2 under 5x power 2, and I don't have x power 3, it's okay, no problem. Make space. Then I have to put sum of them. 3x power 3 minus 2x power 3 equal x power 3. It means 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then negative 4 x power 2, positive 5, positive 1. It means 2x power 2, positive. Positive 2x, so negative 3x. Negative x. Negative 1 plus 3 plus 5 equal positive 4. Another example, add 4x power 2 minus 3xy plus y power 2 and 3xy minus 3x power 2 plus 2y power 2. Then find the numerical value of the result when x equal negative 2 and y equal 1. Let's try another way with the horizontal method. As I see, x power 2 for the first expression with positive 4 and next expression equal negative 3. Then I can make x power 2 and open brackets positive 4 and negative 3 plus xy. The first expression with xy negative 3 coefficient, and the coefficient with the second expression is 3. Then I can put xy and open brackets negative 3 positive 3 and close the brackets plus y square with the first expression with coefficient 1, second expression with coefficient 2, then I open brackets 1 plus 2, then x square 4 minus 3 equal 1, positive 1, then I can put x power 2. xy negative 3 and positive 3 equals 0 by xy equals 0. Then y power 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then I put the coefficient for y power 2 equal positive 3. Then I get the value of the expression x power 2 plus 3 y power 2. Then the value when x equal negative 2 and y equal 1, I substitute x with the value negative 2, then I put negative 2 square plus and substitute the value of y by 1, then I can put 3 open brackets 1 power 2, then equal negative 2 power 2 equal 4 plus 3 by 1 power 2 equal 3, then the value is 7, then I get the result with 7. I can try the other method, the vertical method, as I say, 4x power 2 negative 3xy plus y power 2, and the second expression, put x power 2 under x power 2, xy under xy, y power 2 under y power 2, then I get the same result. Another example, add 3x power 2 minus 5 plus 2x, second expression, x plus 5x power 2 plus 7, third expression, negative 4x power 2 minus 3. Then find the numerical value with the result when x equal 2. Here I'll try also the horizontal method. X power 2 and open brackets, coefficient for x power 2, for first expression 3, positive 3, second expression positive 5, third expression negative 4, and close the brackets, then plus x, open brackets, x coefficient for first expression equal 2, positive 2, and for second expression equal positive 1, third expression without x power 1, then I close the brackets, plus open brackets, negative 5 plus 7 minus 3. Then I get coefficient for x power 2, 3 plus 5 minus 4 equal 4, then 4x power 2 plus 2 plus 1 x, then I get 3x plus negative 5 plus 7 minus 3 equal negative 1. Then the result is 4x power 2 plus 3x minus 1. Then when x equal 2, then I substitute the value of x by 2, then I put 4, open brackets 2 power 2 plus 3 by brackets 2 minus 1. 2 power 2 equal 4, 4 by 4 equal 16, plus 2 by 2 equal 6, minus 1 equal 21. With the vertical method, I can put 3x power 2 plus 2x minus 5 as the same. Then arrange the second. Then 5x power 2 plus x plus 7, arrange the third, negative 4x power 2 minus 3. And I'll get the same result. Now I'm talking about the additive inverse of the algebraic expression. As we knew before, that the additive inverse of any number is the opposite sign with a number. If I say 7, then the additive inverse equals negative 7. Negative 6, the additive inverse equals 6. This is for numbers. Now I'm talking about the additive inverse of expressions. The same thing I do with it. Each term I have to transfer the sign with the opposite. If, as I see x power 2 minus 2x plus 3, then I change the sign of x power 2 to be negative x power 2. Also negative 2x, I have to change it into plus 2x. And 3 positive, I have to change it into negative 3. Then the additive inverse of the expression equal negative x power 2 plus 2x minus 3. Now subtract. We finish adding, then subtract. Subtract, it means minus. Subtract 5x minus 3y plus 2z from 2y minus z plus 7x. First, try the vertical method. As we do before, for the sum or addition, we have to make the same thing with subtract. First expression, I have to put the first expression after from. Then I have to begin from the expression after from with the subtract. Then I have to put first 7x plus 2y minus z. Then I have to put the same expression for the first one with arranging. Then I put 5x under 7x, 3y, negative 3y under positive 2y, and positive 2z under negative z. But here, the difference between adding and subtracting, I have to change the sign with the second expression. 5 is positive, then I have to make it negative. Negative 3y, I have to make it positive 3y. And positive 2z, it becomes negative 2z. Then I have to make 7x minus 5x equal positive 2x. Positive 2y, positive 3y equal positive 5y. Minus z minus 2z equal negative 3z. Then the difference between adding and subtracting, adding, I put the first expression as it, and I have to put the second expression. And if I have the third expression, I have to arrange it. But in subtracting, I have to begin with the first expression after from. Then I get the first expression after from and I put it first. Then I get the second expression before from and arrange it. Then I have to change the sign to the opposite. Another expression and another example. What is the expression that should be added to 8 minus 3a power 2 plus 2a power 3 to get 5 plus 4a power 3 minus 7a? Try the horizontal method. I'll begin with the last expression. With arranging, then I get a power 3, positive 4 coefficient, and a power 3, the coefficient with a power 3 for the first expression is positive 2. I have to change the sign. Then 4 minus 2. Then a, open brackets, negative 7. This is for the second expression. And as we see, first expression, we don't have e. Then I don't put anything. It's just only negative 7. Plus positive 5 and 8. I'll change the sign to the opposite. Then 5 minus 8. Then a power 2. I have only just one coefficient, negative 3. Then I have to change it to the opposite sign to positive 3. Then I get 4 minus 2 equal 2a power 3 plus 3a power 2 minus 7a minus 3. Try the vertical method. I put the second expression with arranging for a power 3, make space for a power 2, then negative 7a plus 5. Second expression, 2a power 3 minus 3a power 2 and make space for a power 1 plus 8 and change all the opposite sign with the second expression. Positive 2a power 3, it becomes negative. Negative 3a power 2 becomes positive. Positive 8, it becomes negative. Then 4a power 3 minus 2a power 3 equal 2a power 3 plus 3a power 2 minus 7a minus 3. Last example. What is the increase of 3a power 2 minus 4b power 2 plus 2ab than the sum of 2a power 2 minus 3ab plus b square and 2b square plus a power 2 plus ab? First, I have to make the sum of second and third expression. a power 2, the coefficient for second, a power 2, 2. And this third expression, coefficient of x power 2 or a power 2 equal 1. Then I have to put a power 2 and open brackets 2 plus 1 plus ab, first coefficient negative 3, second coefficient plus 1, close the brackets, then plus b power 2, coefficient for b power 2, 1 plus 2 equal 3a power 2 minus 2ab plus 3 power 2. Then I get the result of sum of second expression and third expression with the value 3a power 2 minus 2ab plus 3b power 2. Then I have to make the difference between the increase for first expression and the result I get. a power 2 and open brackets 3 from the first expression minus 3 for the result I get plus ab 2 from first expression and positive 2. I'll change the opposite sign for the result I get plus b power 2 negative 4 for the first expression and change the opposite sign for the third expression. Then I get equal 4ab minus 7b2. Thank you for listening, everybody.